This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kevin Bernhardt. Make your dream a reality by owning on South Beach. Extensive renovations have been done to the building within the last few years. Buyer will not inherit a special assessment. This is a small, quiet, easygoing building with only 14 residences. The kitchen wall can be brought down to create a completely open floor plan. Add a large island for a modern look. The vanity table off of the bedroom can be converted into an additional storage closet. Many possibilities exist here. Consider this a blank slate for a first-time homeowner or savvy investor. Rent right away. Low HOA. Sleep in peace with gated, off-street dedicated parking. Location is everything, minutes away from the beach, Flamingo Park Complex, Alton Road, and Lincoln Road Shopping/Entertainment District. For more information, review the details below.